Employer branding is attracting the right people to join your organization that is driven by what your brand DNA is all about. So once you create that strategy of who you are and what you represent, you get your people on board the brand, then the next part of it would be, hey, we stand for passion, or maybe we stand for integrity. I want to get and recruit or attract the right people to fit in our brand. So of course, a big part of employee branding, you need, for example, if I need to hire someone in customer service, I would need someone to have the skills in customer service. That's a given. But in the recruiting, and I call it recruit on brand, you now need to also have components where you can assess this person based on the brand DNA of your organization. And that is employer branding, the ability to attract someone to your brand and to allow them and align them to, hey, if you join organization X, this is what you're going to get. So it's an attraction message. It's to pull people in, but it's also to help you choose the right fit of people.